sir.
Good morning.
Sorry for the late morning, man.
No, you're good. You're good.
Morning.
I think Mark
Morning.
went right by us. I think Mark passed right by us.
Ah, okay.
Thanks again for the wonderful video.
Oh, really like
Really great, Khalil.
Nice, man.
Really great.
I like to do that, man.
It was. I'm glad you like it because
Yeah.
I don't know how to do it. That's wonderful.
Really?
So he just rolled off the back and the bike started rolling down the road and he's just flying down the road at 60 miles an hour. But he's got Kevlar jeans on.
Yeah.
They were
It was going to a plumb.
yeah, but they were camouflage. That was it.
Oh.
But within a second, there was no material left except all you could see was a shiny Kevlar. Yeah, with a boom like that. As soon as he hit the ground.
Yeah, it was
torn.
torn.
A younger guy, right? But 60 miles an hour. All that happened was his wallet opened, all his credit cards. came
Everything.
down. And the bike, we managed to start it again. It was no problem. But it was like he just jumped up. I would have laid there for at least an hour.
Beautiful.
Thanks.
Beautiful bike.
Well, I go to the website.
Yeah, that's
Woo. I love it.
I felt like you did.
Okay, we are ready.
Yeah.
We are ready to go.
Ride back is pretty.
Thank you. What you got, Bruce, over there?
7 hours to Bangkok.
I think it's like a turkey BLT without
Whatever.
cheese.
All the plans.
Did you order food?
Yeah. I was walking from Bangkok.